What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a smart trash can, you guys. Now, not smart to where you're using your cell phone, but it's smart enough to open when you put your hand in front of it. So this trash can right here has a sensor, and on top of that, it self-seals. So this is the third one that I will be reviewing on this channel. My wife loves this trash can, you guys. The other ones I got was a different brand. One of them works very well. The other one that we brought here, it was malfunctioning. It was defective. I post a review. I love this style trash can because it's more sanitary, you know. The lid is completely closed, sealed. No smells coming out. This is pretty big. All right, so this is it. All right, so you have your 4-gallon trash can right here already assembled for you. All right, and don't be scared, you guys. Just go ahead, open that up. All right, and to open this, you have to open it like that. In the bottom here, they give you extra trash bags. This is a plus. Bags, more bags, more bags, more bags. And I haven't ordered no refill bags yet. So these last a very long time. The first one I ordered was last year, and I haven't bought no replacement bags yet. So that's a plus. Okay, so inside you get your charger wire and your charger block, which is USB and USB type C. Okay, and usually when you charge this, mine lasts about a good 3 months, depending on the usage and stuff like that. So the one that we have is in the main hall bathroom, the bathroom that everybody uses. Guests use it, whoever, you know, everybody uses that bathroom the most. So that's where we have the other 4-gallon one. My wife wanted this one in our bedroom. All right, so let's see if this have any life in it. Okay. So it has a vacuum in it. So the vacuum sucks the bag. It said oh, it got LED lights in it. Oh, and it talks. The other one don't talk, you guys. The other one I have don't talk. This one is cool. Man, I'm gonna give y'all a nice closer look at it, but wow. So what I had to do was turn it on. So back here is a switch. So that was switched like that. So that's off. I'm gonna switch it on. Okay, well, I guess we already activated her. So let's see. Nice and easy. And it has LED lights in there, you guys. What? Like, this is so cool. All right. Now to charge this, you basically get your charger. Oops, sensor is sensitive. Get your charger, USB type C, plug it in, grab your block, and plug it into the wall. You're set to go. With my other one, you can actually leave the cord on the plug and just leave it plugged in. But you know, if you just want to save on electricity, you don't need to leave it plugged in. Charge it and it will be set for a couple of months. All right, so first time use, we already been through that. Charging, we already been through that. Restart the trash can. When trash can work abnormal, you can restart the trash can. I'll send you all of this info. So yeah, that's basically it. Automatic packing and bag loading. Wow, they have a whole lot of stuff in here, you guys. Wow, repair information and all that. Oh, this is a lot more than what was in the last one. All right, it tells you the on and off switch on the position there. All right, you guys. So this is basically simple. Okay, so you gotta be up just a tad bit. So it's not right in front, because what they have here, okay, it says X. It says X right here, X on top. So you got to be like in an angle when you're doing it. And you also can use your knee. That's what a lot of people will do. They'll use their knee to open it. Instead of putting their hand there, use your knee, then drop your trash, and then you will be good to go. Right now, I'm going to show y'all that the lights on the inside, because I think that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and give y'all a deep dive on the inside. Oh, look at that. Ain't that cool? It have LCD or LED lights, you guys. Sorry. It has LED lights and it's very deep on the inside. Okay, very deep, and it's closing by itself. Again, be in the angle, open and close, nice and simple. Remember the last one that was broke? Man, yeah. it was irritating. All right, and it has the brand name right there, pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna do it side by side so y'all can see, but man, that's pretty cool. So is there anything else? There's no timing on here. It says touch key long press, touch key trash can. So I'll show y'all how to do the self sealing. It's very easy. What I'm gonna do is I'll pack this with some trash or something, and then we'll self seal it, and then we'll call it a day on this review. But this is a simple review, you guys. Something for your home, nice home goods. Home goods hunting. Amazon home goods hunting. I purchased this on Prime Day. Okay, I purchased this on Prime Day. It was definitely a deal. I have done a video to show you all of my all of the deals that I got from Amazon Prime Day, and this is one of them. Okay, and Prime Day only works for me. I'll talk to y'all about that later. Let me go ahead and put this away. All right, you guys, so I have it up here in the hall bath. Like I said, the hall bath one is the most used trash can as far as like electrical and stuff goes. So this will definitely run out of batteries. Well, the battery will die in this before it will die in this, because this will be going into our master bathroom. So my wife wanted one in the master bathroom, and we will put this one there. And this one is full right now. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Once I get a little bit of trash, I'm gonna compact it in here and then press the button. But this one is full, so what I'm gonna do is self-seal it, and then you can just let go. And when it's done, right now it's sealing, and it's like a heat mechanism to seal the bag, and that's it, you guys. So this is awesome. Okay, so what you want to do is just take it out and go ahead and do your thing, and that will be it with that. So I'm going to show y'all this one in a little. All right, and it's beeping because it's letting me know to go ahead and take it out. So I'm going to take it out, and then I'll finalize this. But yeah, that's the difference between that. So let me go ahead and take this out real quick. All right, you guys, so I just took it out. I'm going to close it. Now it's vacuuming, and then it's empty. Now the difference between this one and that one is it don't have I poke a hole in it. Oh man, I'll have to reseal it. I poked a hole in it when I was grabbing it. Didn't know, but yeah, so the difference is you get lights. That is so cool. So you can see the inside of your trash can. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'll show y'all the seal on this one. That way we test the integrity out. Also, when you do this, if you are offered a warranty and stuff like that, I would recommend it. I don't know if y'all use the warranty, what's it called, Assurion, but I used them before. Very nice and easy. You put in your claim and send in your product, and then they'll issue out your refund or replacement, however it works. I did it before with like a game controller, but I never really had to use it on any electronics or nothing. So yeah, but other than that, let me go ahead, put this up, and then I'll show you all the final on the sealing when it comes to this trash. All right, everyone. So now we are going to do the sealing test. I want to go ahead and get this test over with, because you want to actually check to make sure that your trash can seal before you get out of your return policy or if you have a warranty, then you good. But before you get out of your return policy, you want to make sure it seals, because once you out of your return policy, that's it, unless you call or email the manufacturer and see if they can do a exchange or whatever. But we made ourselves some trash. All right, so you put it there, open, put your trash in, and I just want to show y'all, you still have a lot of space in here, you guys. After that it seemed like a lot of trash I put in here, right? But yeah, you still have a lot of space. And another thing I could say is, when this thing is shut, you can't smell anything. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead and hold the button. It just says start packing. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's making noise. It should be sealing right now. It just said, please take it out. You see right there, have a nice seal to it. We just took it out. It closed by itself. Now it's vacuuming. After the vacuum, it says bag loading complete, and you have a new trash can. You guys, I wish that they made a 13-gallon kitchen trash can like this. I will buy it immediately. This is the best thing ever. So like I said, my wife wanted one in the master bathroom, and now we have one. So, ladies, this is definitely good for you, especially if you use wipes. You know, after you've done doing whatever you're doing, you know, you can just put it in the trash can because you don't want to put wipes in your toilet. If you put wipes in your toilet, don't worry, you'll spend a couple of $1,000s calling a plumber and try to, snake out your drain because wipes don't dissolve. So there you go. I just gave y'all a little tip to save you a couple of $1,000s, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.